long. I think I can now.
Yeah.
So, because I don't have all the repetition on my, because he needs my cubicle. I love it, and that's in front of the damn general manager's office. He's an alcoholic, and he gets the alcohol burns and diarrhea, and he opens his door and he has to keep his office, the air conditioning down to like 67. Kills my arthritis. You know, he opens up the door, I get a blast of cold and shit. You know, that's how he is.
Yeah.
I can feel the cold and smell the shit. It's just, it's awful. And then he blasts the bathroom. So, yeah, I couldn't handle cinnamon for a while because it was the only spray we had. And it reminded me of him. It's like, God, you stink. He turns purple too. He drinks so damn much. Oh my God. He's terrible. Oh, he's a nasty man. We keep waiting for him to drop dead.
5:02.
No, he's got heart problems and high blood pressure. And the way he's drinking and as purple as he gets, oh my God, purple. And now he's looking like Jabba, you know, his face gained so much weight. And his mouth is like a frog, you know, so. There's this one book I read, there's this saucer or whatever, and he looks like a little toad. The way she describes him, like, oh my God, that's Steve. He's a toad. A little underhanded filter. Oh my God. I like the controller though, my boss. She's a sweetheart. She's a peacemaker, so I'm taking tips and learning things.
Oh, that's good, yeah.
Yeah, because I'm like, you know, I'm a little abrupt. You got any helpful hints for me? So I don't piss anybody off. Yeah, because I collect money too. I mean collections, so I have to be
diplomatic.
Yeah, very diplomatic, and sometimes it's really hard, especially, and I got everything color coded. These are the repeat offenders. Can I do a 3-day on them, please? Can we put their wine on, please? I like their wine. Let's take it. No.
Some of those are like the winery.
Yeah.
Yeah, they folded, so.
Do you want to get the chair, Jill? Where's the chair?
Oh, I moved my baby boot.
Well, they took the baby to the doctor today and she's got an ear infection.
I said, see, Grandma's right. Don't you just love it? They think that you're an idiot, you know, when you get a.
Yeah, well, you know,
like
I don't know.
Parents.
I don't think she was worried about her getting sick until I kind of freaked out. You know, because she's like, oh, maybe it's just her teeth. I said, no, because it's just like the top of their head when it's their teeth. And she's hot all over. And like with Charlie, he was burning up and his hands and feet were freezing. I said, you know.
Yeah. Did he have any hair loss because of scarlet fever?
Not that I know of. He's got so much hair he could lose some. He probably didn't know.
Yeah, his mom had scarlet fever and she lost her eyebrows.
When she was
how older? She was a kid.
Because of the scar, because of the skin and the blister, the scars maybe. I can't see it on her face.
Do you see yourself, Charcle?
No, her lost her because she kept shaving.
Well, she had eyebrows when she was younger, but as she got older, she just didn't. You know, well, they were sparse anyway.
Right.
Do you want it now?
Right.
I remember I had to draw them on her when she was not. I'm like, that sounds good.